Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of Jeffree Star's new Star Lounge mystery boxes. My fiance got it for me for a Christmas present, but I didn't want to wait. So today I'm opening it. It was the $65 one, and I believe there's a $90 one. But this one's a $65 one. So, first we got these. And I'm pretty sure they are a set of grinders. But, pretty cute, Christmas colored. Got the Jeffree Star logo on it. There's a green one, a white one, and a metallic red one. And there's this box. There we go. And it's a pink stash jar. There's a logo right here on the front. Very cute. I like the color. The famous Jeffree Star pink. And we have the winter hat. Very cute. Nicely made, stretchy. I think it's very cute. And then we have the last item, which is a sweatshirt. And then on the back, which is kind of hard to see, it says, "Hi, how are ya?" Now, I got the box in 3XL because I like my hoodies big and baggy. And obviously, I'm a big woman, so I don't like my hoodies tight or anything. But I think it's a really pretty color. It's like a really light yellow. I think it's a very pretty. So, that is what is in, at least what was in my $65 Star Lounge mystery box. He just came out with them, I believe at the beginning of the week. It was on the 5th of November, and I just got it today. Not very long shipping. So, anyways, thanks for stopping by my channel and watching my video. If you can, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Later.